Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're exploring the best wooden spoons for cooking. Whether you're stirring, mixing, or serving, the right wooden spoon can make a huge difference in your kitchen. We'll review our top picks, highlighting their features and benefits, so you can find the perfect one for your culinary needs. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Naehos 6pcs Wooden Spoons for Cooking. The Naehos Kitchen Utensil Set is a beautifully handcrafted collection made from high-quality, durable teak wood. This set includes 6 pieces, 2 wooden spoons, a slotted spoon, a rounded fork, and 2 spatulas. Each utensil boasts a smooth finish and rounded handles for a comfortable grip, with a convenient hole at the end of each handle for easy hanging. These utensils are safe to use on non-stick cookware and other delicate surfaces, as they won't scratch or damage them. They are non-toxic and environmentally friendly, as teak wood is a renewable resource. The manufacturer recommends hand-washing the utensils with a mild detergent and allowing them to air dry. Teak wood is known for its durability and ease of cleaning, ensuring the utensils remain free from breakage or scratches. Designed for daily use, these utensils not only enhance your kitchen's functionality, but also add a touch of elegance. They make an excellent gift for moms, women, chefs, or anyone who enjoys cooking, perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. This utensil set is a thoughtful and practical gift that will be appreciated in any kitchen. Pros: depth, color, and different texture. Special for non-stick pan, recommended for hand wash, long handles that stay cool. Cons: damage is expensive. Number 2. OXO Good Grips 3-piece Wooden Spoon Set. The OXO Good Grips Wooden Spoons set is designed for those in search of superior mixing tools. This collection features 3 spoons made from solid beechwood, available in small, medium, and large sizes to accommodate a variety of cooking tasks. Each spoon is thoughtfully crafted with a deep bowl and a long, rounded handle, ensuring a comfortable grip and effective stirring of ingredients. These spoons are treated with a natural oil finish, enhancing both their aesthetic appeal and their durability. They are gentle on non-stick surfaces, making them safe for use with your favorite non-stick cookware. Each spoon also includes a practical hanging hole at the end of the handle for convenient storage. Ideal for those who appreciate kitchen tools that offer more heft and functionality. These spoons boast significantly larger handles and bowls compared to standard wooden spoons found in grocery stores. The ample bowl size not only makes them perfect for mixing, but also for serving at the table and sampling dishes during cooking. This robust set is essential for any culinary enthusiast looking for reliable and versatile kitchen utensils. Number 3. AIUHI Wood Utensil Set for Cooking. The AIUHI Cooking Utensil Set is a comprehensive collection tailored for home chefs, featuring 5 essential pieces crafted from 100% natural teak wood. The set includes a strainer spoon, soup ladle, spatula, wok spatula, and salad fork, each equipped with a convenient hanging hole at the end of the handle for easy storage. Made from eco-friendly, BPA-free, and non-toxic teak wood, these utensils are safe for use on non-stick cookware, ensuring that your delicate surfaces remain scratch-free. The natural properties of teak not only offer superb durability and a polished finish, but also make these tools safe for a variety of cooking applications, including high-heat sautéing, baking, mixing, and flipping. Easy to clean. Simply hand wash these pieces with a mild detergent and warm water, then allow them to air dry. With their robust construction and versatile design, these utensils are perfect for everyday use in preparing, cooking, and serving your culinary creations, whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or a special occasion. The AIUHI Cooking Utensil Set is sure to delight anyone who loves to cook. Number 4. KitchenAid Universal Bamboo Tools Basting Spoon. This spoon from KitchenAid is crafted from bamboo, a material celebrated for its robustness and longevity. Although bamboo is technically a grass, it is often grouped with wood due to its similar appearance and texture. Known for its environmental benefits, bamboo grows rapidly and requires minimal water, making it a sustainable choice. It's also safe for use with all cookware types, including non-stick surfaces and delicate cookware that may be easily damaged. Customers often praise this spoon for its functionality, ease of cleaning, and aesthetic appeal. However, some users have reported that the spoon feels a bit dry upon first use. Opinions vary regarding its size. While some appreciate its larger than expected dimensions, others find the handle too thick and cumbersome. Initially, the surface of the spoon may not be perfectly smooth, and it may wear out after extensive, heavy use. When it does break, replacing it is inexpensive. offering a cost-effective alternative to more luxurious options available on the market. Pros: this versatile tool is inexpensive, made from bamboo, easy to clean. Cons: texture may be less smooth than others. Number 5. EcoSol Heavy-Duty 18-inch Wooden Spoon. If you're someone who frequently prepares large quantities of soup or chili, a typical wooden spoon might not be sufficient. This robust, heavy-duty spoon is designed to handle big tasks with ease. It features a deep bowl, nearly 3 inches wide, and an extra-long handle that extends nearly 17 inches, keeping your fingers safely away from intense heat when stirring the contents of deep pots. While it's advertised as an 18-inch tool, our measurements show it's slightly shorter, but still ample for reaching into large stockpots. The spoon's beveled handle is sturdy, though its flat shape may feel awkward for some users. Crafted in Poland from solid beechwood, it boasts a rustic, artisanal appearance and includes a convenient hanging loop at one end. Due to its considerable size, it might be more practical to store it with larger kitchen items, such as your favorite woks, a 12-quart stockpot, or a full-sized canning kettle, rather than keeping it within easy reach. This well-crafted spoon has a smoothly finished surface and is versatile enough to serve as a mash paddle, scraper, or stirring paddle. Pros: large, deep bowl, sturdy, rustic look, moves a lot of food. Cons: awkward handle shape,